Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Imamdin Chandu is here. I am chemistry lecturer at APSEC Badi. आज हम पढ़ेंगे पहला चैप्टर क्लास मेट्रिक और 10th केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. Before studying about the chemical equilibrium, we must know some basic terms such as reversible reaction. So reversible reaction क्या होता है? Reversible reaction, a reaction in which reactant react to form product, and that time or at same time the product react to form reactant under same condition is called as a reversible reaction. In general, A plus B reacts to form C plus D. At same time, C plus D reacts with each other and forms A plus B. That reaction is said to be reversible reaction. Reversible reaction is said to be bidirectional or two directional. Simply means in first direction it goes to a forward reaction. In second direction it goes towards the reverse direction. In case of this, for example, when molecule of nitrogen reacts with 3 molecules of hydrogen, it gives the 2 molecules of ammonia. So at same time, when 2 molecules of ammonia reacts each other or breaks down into 1 molecule of nitrogen and 3 molecules of hydrogen, so that reaction is said to be reversible reaction. And another type of reaction is irreversible reaction. Irreversible reaction is said to be as a unidirectional or one directional reaction. A reaction that only undergoes in one direction, such as reactant forming product, but reverse reaction does not take place, is called as irreversible reaction. A reaction which undergoes in single direction means it only goes towards the forward reaction. For example, when silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride, it forms silver chloride and sodium nitrate. It never means when product is formed. So in case of irreversible reaction, AgCl will never react with sodium nitrate and form silver nitrate and sodium chloride. So it will never go towards the backward or reverse direction. That reaction is said to be irreversible reaction. Another example is when magnesium reacts with oxygen, form magnesium oxide. It never happens that magnesium oxide break down into magnesium and oxygen. It never happens. Why? Because of irreversible reaction. Why there are some reversible reaction and some irreversible reaction? In case of a reversible reaction, so it never go to completion. Why? Because in case of reversible reaction, weak electrolytes or weak substance react each other and form another substance. That another substance will break down into similar substance. But in case of irreversible reaction, so means strong electrolyte reacts each other and reaction goes towards the completion. That's why irreversible reaction is unidirectional reaction. So what is mean by forward direction? Forward direction means from left to right. So when nitrogen reacts with the hydrogen, it forms ammonia. This type of direction is known as a forward direction, because firstly, initially these two means substance are reactant and this is product. So when two reactants react each other and form a product, that direction is known as a forward direction. So forward direction or forward reaction is from left to right, and reverse direction is what? From right to left. When product, this ammonia is a product, when product is break down into reactant, mean these were both reactant in case of first reaction. So this type of direction is known as a reverse direction. What is mean by chemical equilibrium? A chemical equilibrium, it is a state or it is a process. A reaction is said to be in chemical equilibrium when rate of forward reaction. What is mean by rate? Rate means speed of forward reaction. जैसे कि मैंने पहले जो है ना आपको बताया कि what is mean by forward direction or forward reaction. When rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction, that process or that state or that condition is said to be a chemical equilibrium. So what is mean by chemical equilibrium? Chemical equilibrium, it is a state, it is a condition when the rate or speed of forward direction or forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of backward reaction. That condition, that state, that process is said to be chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium when rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of reverse reaction, that condition is said to be chemical equilibrium. For example, when A reacts to B, this is means rate of forward direction. When rate of forward direction means A reacts to B from C plus D, this is a product and this is reactant. When A plus B reacts each other means they undergo in forward reaction. So when C plus D reacts each other from A plus B, so this is a reverse direction. When the rate of forward direction becomes equal to rate of reverse direction, that state is said to be a chemical equilibrium. For example, when one molecule of nitrogen reacts with the 3 molecules of hydrogen, means when speed of this is a forward direction, when speed or rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of reverse reaction, so that state is said to be chemical equilibrium. So this graph shows the rate of forward and reverse reaction and establishment of the equilibrium. This is a rate of forward reaction. So first of all means rate of forward reaction is greater. So slowly it decreases. After the decreasing of the rate of forward direction, so rate of reverse, first of all rate of reverse direction is 0 and slowly gradually it increases. It means state condition produced where the rate of forward and rate of reverse direction becomes equal. That state is said to be equilibrium. So that state is known as a chemical equilibrium. Thank you so much.